Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of crypto in 2025, you might need to move your Polkadot tokens from one exchange to another. Today, I'm walking you through the simple steps to send Polkadot from Binance to Robinhood. This process is straightforward, but always double check for any platform updates, as things can change quickly in the crypto space. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Binance and Robinhood, and that you have some DOT in your Binance wallet. Security is key, so enable two-factor authentication on both platforms to protect your assets. Step 1. Log into your Binance account. Head over to the Wallet section and select Spot Wallet, or Funding Wallet, where your DOT is stored. Once there, find Polkadot in your asset list and click on Withdraw. Next, you'll need the Robinhood wallet address. Log into your Robinhood app or website, go to your crypto section, and select Polkadot. Copy the wallet address provided. Double-check that it's for the correct network, like the Polkadot network, to avoid any errors. Back on Binance, paste that Robinhood address into the withdrawal form. Enter the amount of DOT you want to send, but remember to leave a little extra for network fees. Review everything carefully, then hit Confirm, and complete any additional security steps, like entering a code from your authenticator app. Now, sit tight. Transactions can take a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Once it's done, hop back to Robinhood and refresh your portfolio to see your DOT arrive. If it doesn't show up right away, don't panic. Just give it time and check the transaction status on a blockchain explorer. A quick word of caution. Always be mindful of withdrawal fees and potential risks like incorrect addresses, which could lead to lost funds. In 2025, with evolving regulations, make sure you're compliant with any KYC requirements on both platforms. And there you have it. Your Polkadot is now on Robinhood. If this tutorial helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.